Happy morning. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the topic Middleware and Gateway. Middleware. The middleware is we used to say some kind of software in order to act as a bridge between the different applications as well as the systems or devices in order to facilitate the communication, or else if you want to exchange some kind of data. For that reason, we are using the middleware software. It provides a layer of abstractions, hiding the complexities as well as enabling the interoperability. So for that reason, we are embedding the middleware software. Abstraction, you know very well, the abstraction hiding hiding the internal functionalities, showing showing the external thing under the outside the world. So that's what we used to say abstraction. So that terms is apt for the concept of middleware software. Gateway is a network device or else software that connects two networks in order to translate the data as well as the protocols for interoperability, as an entry as well as the exit point for data. So that's what we used to say the gateway. Functions of middleware. First, let us see the functions of middleware. The communication management, data transformation, and then service integration, scalability. So these are the important functions among the middleware. The middleware software is very important in order to manage the communication between the exchange of data. So that plays an important role under the functionality of middleware software. Data transformation is also crucial part under middleware. With the help of middleware software, we are going to transforming the data in excellent way, as well as the integrating the services to one another for networking system and all. If you want to embed some kind of services, so for that integration process also we are using middleware software. The scalability is also one of the functionalities among the middleware software. Now let us see the functions of gateway. The functions of gateway is also one of the networking device, or else we used to say software. The protocol translations as well as the security, routing, and then compression and decompressions. So these are the important functionalities among the gateway. The protocol translation is none other than we are going to transfer the data through the converting the protocols between the network devices. For example, hypertext transfer protocol. It helps under the web browsing, right? So transferring the data, designing part, the computer. That with the help of the protocol, we are going to convert the data through the network device gateway. And then security filters and manage the traffic between the networks, the traffic and all controlling under with the help of the gateway services, often incorporating the firewalls. It's going to prevent from the unauthorized access. So for that also plays an important role by gateway services. And then routing directs data packets between the networks in efficient manner. And another important thing is compression and decompression. The compression and decompressions, optimizing the data transfer by reducing the payload size. Now let us see the difference between the middleware as well as the gateway. It's very important. The important features is first thing is purpose. Purpose of middleware is enabling the application integration for communication, and then gateway is the purpose of gateway is connecting the network or else devices in order to manage the protocols transmissions the data. During the data transmission, the protocols and all managing with the help of gateway. Another important feature is scope. Scope of middleware is focusing on higher level system and then application interactions, and gateway is focuses on network level communications, network level transmissions and all controlling by the gateway services. Example use case is integrating the CRM with the database. Gateway is connecting a home Internet of Things network to the cloud device. And the complexity is manages the distributed system and also the service under middleware, translating as well as the route the data between the network is one of the important complexity among the gateway services. Hope you understand the important functionalities of middleware as well as the gateway. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.